Michael Dornellas is a freediver, cinematographer, and ocean conservationist. Based out of Florida, Michael has captured the world's attention with his unique connection to sharks and awe-inspiring videos, freediving with sharks all around the globe. After admiring his work for a long time, we reached out to Michael to see if he'd be interested in taking the PowerRay out on one of his diving trips. He accepted, and what happened next surprised even him, as well as the entire team here at PowerVision.
Yeah, I was excited to take it out in the ocean with the sharks. We were in Bahamas, over by Tiger Beach, an amazing area for sharks. We put it in the water, and man, did they enjoy the drone. I mean, this thing, was swimming around with the sharks, and the sharks were hitting and biting it. It's not necessarily they were trying to eat it, but sharks don't have hands. Their way of exploring something is saying, to see what they are, and by touching it is with their mouth and with their nose to be able to sense it and see what it is and see what it's made out of. It was absolutely amazing to watch.
After about 45 minutes of this interaction between the sharks and the PowerRay, one lemon shark got a bit too curious.
Then a lemon shark grabbed it, ripped the cable off, the drone went off, I had to go swim and go grab it.
When Michael called to tell us the news, we were just happy the PowerRay had finally had its first shark encounter. But when it was sent back to our office, we decided to try and see if this drone might ever be able to swim again.
Seeing the amount of damage that was done to the outside, the teeth marks and scrapes and stuff like that, the fact that this thing completely ripped the cable out, and then when I sent it back to PowerVision, and they pulled the footage out, all the footage was good, and then they hooked up a new cable and the thing worked right away. It was a testament of the durability of this thing to get humbled by not one, but multiple sharks and come out with just a few scratches on it. That amazed me.
Sure enough, we plugged in a new tether cable and the PowerRay turned on. We connected it via Wi-Fi to the base station, and we were able to download the footage via the PowerViewer app. And what we saw was truly amazing. A truly up-close and personal experience with these majestic and often misunderstood creatures. It made us completely rethink how the PowerRay could be used in shark research and marine biology. It was at this point that we asked Michael what PowerVision could do to help. And that's when he told us about the Nakawe project.
Now, Nakawe project has been a long-going nonprofit organization that works educating people to the problem of overfishing of sharks and overfishing in general. I've seen firsthand the effort that they put into it. It's not one of those things that posts a bunch of pretty pictures and, stuff. Creatures Conservationist does nothing about it. They're down there getting dirty, and the owner and the founder, Reggie, she's down there working her butt off, making a change. So, that to me was a direct indicator of a passionate conservationist and a program, a nonprofit program that is very passionate about the work that they do. And it's a program that I believe in.
To celebrate Shark Week, PowerVision is teaming up with Michael and the Nakawe project. Over Shark Week, 7% of Michael's affiliate-linked sales of PowerRay will be donated to this amazing cause to promote harmony and health between people and the ocean. This work is essential to making sure that the ocean can be preserved for many generations to come. Michael has taught us that the old idea of man's relationship to sharks needs to change. Hopefully one day we can truly share the ocean with these amazing creatures on this beautiful planet we call home.